Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. Our project title is Joint Static and Dynamic Traffic Scheduling in Data Center Networks. Let's see the abstract for our project. Today, data centers topologies typically consist of multi-routed trees with many equal cost paths between every pairs of hosts. However, because of limited port densities in even the highest N switches, data centers topologies typically consist of multi-routed trees with many equal cost paths between any given pairs of hosts. So in this project, the system design deploys a single interconnection network for both static and dynamic traffic, so thus avoiding the extra cost of implementing and maintaining two different switching systems. So we are maintaining the traffic between the two switching systems. Let's discuss the flow diagram for our project. Here our project is starting from here. Once the user is logging to their account by using the credentials, they will verify the user is whether the user is valid user or not. So after the credential is okay, they can send a message to another users. While sending a message, this message will go through some traffic servers, that is some servers. So if the message is buffer overloaded, means the server gets overloaded, means the server gets slow. So at that time we are creating a node and creating an intermediate node. So by using this we can reduce the traffic. We are scheduling the traffic. So after creating this node, we are providing a decomposition to mingle these nodes and split the server, that is split the message and send it to the receiver. Once the receiver receives the message, they can use that message. So we are also providing some performance graphs how the efficiency has been implemented. Here we are signing up to our account, so we can enter our information and we can sign up to our account. Once our account is created, we can get access to it. So we are providing our email ID. And after successfully registered, we can sign into our account using your email ID and password. So I'm giving my email ID and password. So this is the first page of the project. Here we are sending 4 types of files that is 4 types of messages like voice. We are sending it through a queue process. So our approach is to restrict the traffic control, traffic scheduling. So we are queuing these files into our server. So the files are stored into the server. Now what we are doing is we are creating an intermediate node and sending these files, these messages which was loaded in the server, to the destination users by queuing process. So it will restrict our traffic. It will decrease our traffic. So now we are allocating some intermediate nodes. So we can see the intermediate node description and information here, so which we had created before. So this is the home page. Here we can send data, receive data, and server admin. Now we are receiving data. The receiver can select the message ID and view the message. So these are the messages received in the server by the queuing process. So after this, we can see how the node is created in the server. So here we virtually creating some node. So we are deploying that node. Now we are going to create a node. So here what we are doing is we are creating some simulation node to regulate the traffic. Actually this was the process which was running behind the screen. So we are deploying that node. The node has been drawn. We can see the node which is drawn on the screen. So once I'm giving some numeric number and deploy the node, and it is deploying, that is it is determining the network. So I'm connecting that. So likewise it was queuing the process and connecting the messages. This is the network MAC address, and we are going to find the distance. This is the distance between that unique nodes. So each unique nodes has some distance which is calculated in decimal values, and we are showing that. So now we are going to the server. So this is the server. We are viewing the files in the server. So this is the total files in the server. The total messages sent by all the users are which are stored in the server. So after that we are going for the admin option. So what is an admin can do? What the admin can do is he can view the graphical performance of our traffic schedule. That is how efficient we have made this traffic. So here we can see using the graph we can see the traffic report. So once I click the traffic report, we can see how much traffic has. Thank you.